Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NSPR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like several days worth of time right there, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And the question revolves around the fact that today was a very strong move. There's no doubt about that. It was a good day overall. But that brings up the question, but is there any sort of true strength behind this move? Is there any sort of genuine power, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single level, and that level is right here at the $2 mark. Why is $2 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true strength, with genuine power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement with genuine power is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $2. Any sort of closes below $2, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to within this range where it already was. Again, truly strong moves don't go back, they progress forward. Whereas let's say the price heads down here, not saying it will, but let's just pretend, heads down here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would we have in this situation? You'd have a set of lows right here, and then the previous set of lows would be down there. So if you picture each one of those as stair steps, well now, hey, you got stair steps going in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. You just want to see progress forward. Now, ideally speaking, if the price can hold up above, let me zoom up here a little bit, but if the price can stay up above that point right there at $2.60, that would be the best case scenario, but by no means is $2.60 like a must-hold level or anything like that. Again, for the reasons we just discussed about $2. But yeah, if the price going forward stays above $2.60, that's a much better scenario. Now, what about levels of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these key battlegrounds at? The first key one, I call right here at $3.65. This is not only from today's price action. You can see a lot of price congestion right around that area. But when you look back through the history, you can see it also knocked the price down right there. So yes, up here at $4 is the level of resistance, and I do want to get that mapped out. But before you start talking about $4 and, all that good stuff, I realize it's fun and exciting to talk about testing highs and breaking new highs. But before you talk about any of the $4 range up there, first key battleground, again, at $3.65. No doubt about it, though, very, very nice day today, so it'll be interesting to see if the bulls can build upon this momentum going forward. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.